Good morning, all. Today, let us know about Indian scientists in biology. C.V. Raman won Nobel Prize for Physics in 1930 for his pioneering work on scattering of light. He was the first person to receive Nobel Prize in the sciences. Homi J. Bhabha, he was the first person to become the chairman of the Atomic Energy Commission of India. He played an important role in quantum theory. Vishveshwaraya, he was a notable Indian engineer, scholar, statesman, and the Diwan of Mysore. He was a recipient of Bharat Ratna. He invented automatic sluice gates and block irrigation systems. Venkatraman Radhakrishnan, he was globally renowned space scientist and a member of Royal Swedish Academy of Sciences. He was astrophysicist and also known for his design and fabrication of ultralight aircraft and sailboats. S. Chandrasekhar, he was awarded Nobel Prize for Physics for his mathematical theory of black holes. Satyendranath Bose, he was an Indian mathematician and physicist specializing in quantum mechanics, mainly in developing the foundation for Bose-Einstein statistics and theory of Bose-Einstein condensate. Meghnad Saha, he worked on thermal ionization and elements. It led him to formulate Saha equation, which is a basic tool for interpretation of the spectra of stars in astrophysics. Srinivasa Ramanujan, he was an Indian mathematician and autodidact who made extraordinary contributions to mathematical analysis, number theory, finite series, and continued fractions. Jagadish Chandra Bose. Acharya J.C. Bose was a man of many talents. He was polymath, physicist, biologist, botanist, and archaeologist. He pioneered the study of radio and micro-optics and made important contribution to the study of plants and laid the foundation of experimental science in the Indian subcontinent. He was the first person to use semiconductor junctions to detect radio signals, thus demonstrating wireless communication for the first time. Vikram Sarabhai, he was considered as father of Indian space program. He was instrumental in the setting up of Indian Space Research Organization. Salim Moizuddin Abdul Ali was an ornithologist and a naturalist. He was first Indian to conduct systematic bird survey across India, and his bird books helped in developing ornithology in subcontinent. Hargobind Khorana, he was an Indian American biochemist who shared Nobel Prize for Physiology or Medicine with Marshall W. Nirenberg and Robert W. Hawley in this research that helped to show the order of nucleotides in nucleic acids. Birbal Sahni, he was an Indian paleobotanist who studied the fossils of the Indian subcontinent. He was also a geologist who took an interest in archaeology. His greatest contribution lie in the study of plants of India. APJ Abdul Kalam, Aul Pakir Jainulabdin Abdul Kalam is an Indian scientist who worked as an aerospace engineer with Defense Research and Development Organization and Indian Space Research Organization. He started his career by designing helicopter for the Indian Army.